Everald and Andrew, inseparable since kindergarten, shared a dream etched in crayon on a construction paper star. Be the best lawyers ever. They spent recess debating playground justice. Everald, with his booming voice, presenting impassioned defenses, and Andrew, a master of logic, dissecting arguments with surgical precision. Their classmates were their first jury, captivated by their mock trials over stolen cookies and disputed kickball calls. Their teacher, Mrs. Gable, nurtured their burgeoning talents, assigning extra reading on famous legal cases and encouraging them to participate in the school's debate club. Years flew by. High school brought harder cases, navigating friendships, battling for academic recognition. Everald, the charismatic orator, became the star debater, captivating audiences with his powerful delivery. Andrew, the quiet strategist, led the chess club, anticipating every move, playing every angle. College separated them. Everald chose a prestigious East Coast university, drawn to its renowned law program. Andrew, favoring a more analytical approach, opted for a West Coast school with a focus on technological law. Miles apart, they remained connected, phone calls filled with case analysis and dreams of someday working together. Law school followed, a gauntlet of late nights and intense competition. They excelled, honing their skills, shaping their legal philosophies. Everald championed the underdog, fighting for the voiceless. Andrew, the meticulous researcher, uncovered hidden truths, exposing injustice with unwavering precision. Years later, a headline flashed across the national news. Everald and Andrew law partners win landmark case. They had reunited, their childhood dream realized. Everald, the electrifying courtroom presence, captivated the jury. Andrew, the brilliant strategist, presented irrefutable evidence. They were no longer kids debating on a playground, but formidable legal titans, forever bound by their shared passion and the crayon-etched promise of becoming the best lawyers ever.